All right, again, guys, I'm having another signal here. So, look what's happening. Look what's happening. Look. Yeah, so let's open a long position. So look, this is the parabolic SAR. Look the position and look the color. So red, the red, and this one is going up. So this is 100% going to be a red, or sorry, a green candle. This is a green candle, and my prediction is that this one is going up. So if my prediction is right, I'm making $344. This strategy is based on some indicators. Sorry, it's simple. The principles of the strategy that I'm using here is very simple. So I'm investing $400. If my prediction is right, I'm making $344 in less than 1 minute. So in less than 1 minute, let's see if my prediction is right. Yeah. Wait a minute. Yep. Look, $344. I just made $344 in less than 1 minute. So the strategy used in this video, guys, is explained in the description below in the course. There is a course on my website, binary strategy course. Yeah, binarystrategycourse.com. Go to the course, learn the strategy. I will teach you everything about the strategy I'm using here. And yeah, hopefully you will make some profit, you too. So in less than 28 seconds, if my prediction is right, so in this case, look, red, meaning that this one is going down. So I predicted that this one is going down. I invested $400, and if my prediction is right and this candle is red, I'm going to make $344. And I'm 100% sure that this one is going to be a red candle because, yeah, so once you learn the strategy, you will understand why I'm 100% sure. Yeah, as predicted, look, as predicted, same thing. So, wait a minute. All right, same thing. This one is also going down. All right, this one is going down, meaning that I clicked so lower, meaning that the market is going down the next minute. If I click higher, meaning that the market would go up. But in this case, I know, look at the SAR, look at the parabolic SAR, look what's happening here, and look at the colors of the candles. So yeah, my strategy is based on some chart patterns. So once you see the chart pattern, you understand that the market is going down. My strategy is based on some indicators. In this case, this is a Bollinger Bands, this is parabolic SAR, this is RSI, so RSI 10 period. Yeah, so the strategy is simple. I guess everybody can use the strategy. This needs some practice, so the strategy needs some practice. Yeah, I already made $344. So how you can calculate your profit is simple. Wait a minute. So you can calculate your profit simply here. Here, for example, iqoption will give you 86% of your investment if your prediction is right. If your prediction is wrong, you will lose all your investment. So yeah, you need to be careful. So you need to have you need to be right about your predictions. So if you're losing, you will lose your money. So you need to be careful. So if I'm investing $1,000, I'm making $860. All right. I'm here. In this case, I'm investing $400. Just for this video, I'm not investing too much because I don't like to be deconcentrated, and I like to focus, right? I like to focus on my trades. If I'm investing like $20,000 or something, I will not make a live session. I will not share a video with you. I will not talk. I will focus on my strategy. So the strategy or trading on forex, trading on binary option, trading crypto need a lot of discipline and a lot of focus. So you need to focus all the time. You need to be prepared to to apply the rules from your strategy, and never, please remember, never use emotions. If you are losing emotions, please leave. Don't stay if you're losing emotions, so you will lose money. So the first rule is to respect the rules from your strategy. Second rule, never use emotions. Third rule, never panic. So if you're losing, that's okay. That's okay if I'm losing, but I will never panic. So yeah, look, $344. We already made $344. Yeah, as you can see, this session is profitable because I can predict the colors of all the candles here. So this is 1 minute candlestick here, 1 minute, as you can see. This strategy can be used on 5 minute, on 5 minute, on 1 hour candlestick, also 1 day candlestick. So wherever there is a candlestick like this, the strategy is useful and can be used. So yeah, I use sometimes resistance levels, support levels. Yeah, look, $344. Amazing. I guess we still have 2 candles to predict. Yeah, so the signal is basically what's happening with the signal is basically I'm waiting for the signal. I'm waiting. Once I found the signal, I can predict the next, for example, the next, in this case, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, the next, for example, the next 8 candles. So I can predict the color of the next 8 candles. So I still have 2 candles here, this one, the next one. Yeah, the next 8 candles, I can predict the colors, and once I know the colors of the candles, I'm 100% sure what type of trade I'm opening. So if this is a red, if I'm 100% that this one is a red candle, in this case, look, I made $300 by clicking lower or shorting. Some people call it lower, some people call it sell, short, put, and also higher. Some people call it higher, buy, long, call. So yeah, you can find different nominations on different platforms. Yeah, in this case also it's going down. But why I opened here, in this case, even with the red candle, a green candle, sorry, I'm going to make another win. So I want you to to focus. Let's see. Yeah, if my prediction is, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just sharing with you these videos. I'm sharing my strategy. That's all for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor in any way. Remember, this is a simulation. Everything, you are not 100% going to make the same results. This is just a simulation of what is possible with trading binary options.